If your computer or laptop system runs slow and hangs, don't worry. In today's video, I am going to tell you 10 such settings, tips, and tricks after which your system will not run, it will run. Number 1. Disable startup programs. Do you know that in your Windows system, there are many applications and software that run in the background along with your system being turned on? Maybe you don't know. If we turn off startup programs, our system will have a little more free RAM, which means the system will be faster. To disable startup programs, simply press Ctrl+Alt and Delete on your keyboard. You will get an option of Task Manager. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will see an option for Startup. Click on Startup, and here you can see the applications that you do not use, which automatically start in the beginning. You can turn them off. For example, Google Chrome will automatically turn on during startup, so you can disable it by right-clicking here. Similarly, you can disable Opera. If there are any other applications that you think are useless and are not needed during startup, you can disable them here to speed up your PC. Next is OneDrive. With the help of the OneDrive application, you can save your files in the cloud on the internet and access them anytime. However, the constant syncing of data between your system and the cloud can slow down your system. If you don't use OneDrive or don't need it, you can turn off syncing. To stop OneDrive syncing, search for the OneDrive application on your laptop and click on it. In the settings, click on the Account option and then choose the Unlink option to disconnect your system from OneDrive. Disable animation and visual graphics. If you reduce the animation and visual graphics quality in your system, it can improve the system's speed. To disable animation and visual effects, go to the Control panel of your system, click on System, then go to Advanced System Settings, and click on the Settings option under the Advanced tab. In the Visual Effects settings, unselect all the animations and turn them off. Click on OK to apply the changes. Windows Update. Disabling the automatic Windows Update can prevent data loss and improve system performance. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard, type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down to find Windows Update. Right-click on it and click on Properties. In the Startup Type section, change it to Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Restart your system to stop the Windows Update process. However, it's important to periodically update your Windows manually for security reasons. Stop notifications and tips from Windows. Right-click on the Windows icon. Click on Settings, then go to System, and select the Notification and Action option. Turn off the option for receiving notifications from apps and other senders. You can also uncheck other unnecessary notification options. Clean storage. Use the built-in storage settings to automatically delete temporary and unwanted files from your system. Right-click on the Windows icon, click on Settings, go to System, and select the Storage option. Turn on the Storage option if it's off. This setting will help you automatically delete temporary files and free up space on your system. Scan your computer. Use antivirus software to scan your system for viruses and malware. You can use a free software like Anti-Malwarebytes to detect and remove viruses from your system. Run a scan using the software to identify any harmful files or applications slowing down your system. Run Disk Cleanup. Use the Disk Cleanup utility to delete unnecessary files and free up space on your system. Press the Windows key and search for Disk Cleanup. Open the application and select the drive you want to clean, usually the Windows C drive. Check the options for cleaning the recycle bin. Click OK to start the cleanup process. Temporary files and other unwanted files. Delete unwanted software and applications. Uninstall any software or applications that you no longer use. Go to the Control panel, find the Uninstall Application option, and remove all the unnecessary applications from your system. Free up space in the C drive. If your C drive is running out of space, try deleting unnecessary files or applications to create more space. Keeping the C drive as empty as possible can prevent your system from slowing down or hanging. System reset. If your system is still slow or hanging after applying all the settings and tips, you can consider resetting your system to its default state. Before resetting, make sure to back up all your important data. After resetting, all the settings and applications causing performance issues will be removed, and your system will be like new. Remember to update your system and install necessary software after the reset. I hope these settings, tips, and tricks help improve the speed and performance of your computer or laptop. Don't forget to like and share the video for more people to benefit from these tips. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for future videos. Feel free to ask any questions or reach out to me on my social media handles. Goodbye and take care.